Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLearning. My name is Ranjit and today I am going to perform one task that is related with the MLOps. Okay, and this task is inspired by the uh, KodeKloud MLOps 100 Days of Challenge. So I'm going to perform this lab in my virtual system. So that is, I have Oracle VM environment, and in that I have installed Linux Mint. Okay, so here you can see. So I am going to perform that KodeKloud Challenge Lab in my local environment that is also virtual, not in the KodeKloud terminal. Okay, so let's start. Let's verify the task first. The task one, the execution co-op industries data science team need a standardized Python environment for their new ML project. Set up a virtual environment with the required ML libraries on the control plane host. Create a Python environment, name ml-env under the root/code using Python 3-env. Okay. Second task, activate the environment and install the following packages. So these are the packages we need to install. Generate a requirement.txt file using pip freeze and save it in the root code cloud text, right? So let's do it. See, I have performed this lab in the KodeKloud, so I'm sharing it in the locally now. So if you just follow these steps, you will be able to complete this task. So let's do it first. So I am in the directory. Yes, root code. So now I need to create virtual environment first. So Python 3. I have already installed with Python 3 in this. Python 3-m virtual environment, that is ml, and the name of the virtual environment is ml environment. Let's create. Okay, it's created. Now let's try to activate pin. So we have to activate the virtual environment with the command source, and then under the now we are in the virtual environment. Okay, now we need to install the packages as per. So first task is simple, creating the widget that we have now. Now we need to install these packages. So I will use pip install numpy and pandas. What is next? Pandas skitlearn. Okay. I will type it. We can install one by one, or we can install a skitlearn, and then one more is matplotlib install. And okay, so now next task is we have installed the requirement. Now generate a requirement.txt file using the pip freeze and save it in the root code requirement.txt. So whatever the package we have, it will we have to create requirement.txt file. Okay, so that's fine. Now pip freeze greater than equal to symbol, that's assigning, we are assigning it, right? And where we need to assign, under the root code and then requirement.txt. Okay, so here you can see all the packages which are already installed in this. It's automatically written in this requirement.txt file. So by this, like if you, I mean, if you want to share with any other resource or any system, so you can share the requirement.txt file, and using the pip command you can easily install. So that's it. Task one is simple. So if you just follow the steps, you will be able to complete your codec, I mean MLOps task one in the KodeKloud. And let's go with the next tasks of in the next video. So meanwhile, make sure you need to subscribe and hit like button as well, and keep supporting. Thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.